It started right here on our channel when Jason from Allotment of the Dead and I decided to do something profoundly unwise. We ate Dorset Naga peppers. Not a sauce, not a flake. The whole screaming hot pepper itself.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, that's got a lot of flavor.
This is the kind of people I go to church with, you know.
It all started out fine until it wasn't. Turns out the people who cheer you on at church are the same ones that tell you to eat both peppers. And they mean it. Now, I did survive. Mrs. Bowtie and I had a solid emergency plan. A gallon of milk and a sleeve of crackers and some light soul searching. But apparently that little adventure made its way to Sunday morning. Because the very next Sunday during adult Bible class, Gary decided to preach the recap. And I've got to admit, it's pretty good. He's got the Scoville, the commentary, and just the right balance of pity and I told you so. So before we roll his version of events, here's a real quick reminder of what got us here.
David is going to be suffering for most of the night, which is hilarious.
I said the back of my throat is like somebody's put a really red hot poker in the back of it. And sweating. Ooh, I turned into a lady then. Sweating. And
so grab your coffee or your milk if you're braver than me and enjoy the view from the pulpit side. This is what happened.
So David eats the first one. Oh, that's good. And I say the first one because I thought it was just going to be one, and he's doing okay. David said, I'm all that. He reaches in and says, I can do another one. And he eats it. 2 of those. Well, then things start happening as they say, those peppers come awake and they say, hey, now we're going to kill you.
Is that a picture of a human melting?
Yes. After David ate the second one, the British guy's like, okay. So he went and ate the second one. It's like it didn't bother. He kept talking. David was at a loss for words. It's like, you know, I want to start giving him one before our Bible class. It was pretty good. But